brought to you by CapCut. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news, and for the first time ever we have the Galaxy S22 series in action. A glimpse of the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 GPU performance is here, and well, it's right up there with the Apple A15 chip. Yes, the GPU on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 has shocked everyone. According to the GFX benchmark, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 actually surpasses the A15 on the iPhone 13 Pro when it comes to the off-screen 3.0 test. As you can see, it tops the list. In the second test, it's nearly neck and neck, like just 1 point difference between the A15 and the 8 Gen 1. And then finally, we have the 3D Mark wildlife test where you can see a little bit of difference between A15 and 8 Gen 1. Still, it is very close. This is the closest that any Android manufacturer has gotten when it comes to the performance compared to the best of Apple. Based on these results, the Snapdragon variant of the Galaxy S22 will close the gap with Apple, something that we can't be confident about when it comes to Exynos 2200 AMD GPU. Yes, according to Iceverse, it is expected that the AMD GPU on the Exynos 2200 might not be as strong as the Adreno GPU inside the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. We still have yet to see the official performance of the Exynos 2200. Still, there is no word on it yet. Now, as we know, 70% of the Galaxy S22 series will get the Snapdragon variant, and after looking at these results, it seems like this was the right move. Now, these were the GPU results. When it comes to the CPU benchmarks, Apple is still on top. The CPU scores for Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 compared to the previous generation is not that big compared to what they've achieved with the GPU. But Qualcomm isn't stopping here. According to Iceverse, in the future, Qualcomm could introduce their own custom architecture in order to design better chips, meaning the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip in 2023 could have a much better CPU performance compared to their previous generation, something that can actually stand toe-to-toe with Apple. Don't forget, Qualcomm is the first company to bring the ARM-based laptop CPU to Windows market, so they're moving really fast. Their goal is to truly rival Apple, and they're clearly moving way too fast compared to Samsung's Exynos. Now, before we talk about the crazy Galaxy S22 Ultra rival coming in 2022, a big thank you to CapCut for making this video possible. CapCut is the best all-in-one video editing app for iOS and Android that I've personally been using, and it's completely free. Besides having impressive editing features, I absolutely love its wide range of effects, filters, music library, and amazing text templates. It's literally got everything I need to create amazing videos on the go with all the required tools, and it's so easy to use. It even has text-to-speech and auto-caption function, which can save you a lot of time. You can add super cool text templates, unique stickers to make your videos stand out, wide choice of effects to play with, plus the ability to add your own music from library or even extract music from the downloaded videos. If that's not enough, you can use the trendy effects to get the edge over the competition, like the 3D zoom, which is my absolute favorite. It actually turns a static image to a really cool video. You can also remove the background of your video without the need of a fancy equipment or green screen. Again, all of this is completely free, no ads, no hidden payment, nothing. So don't wait, click the link in the description down below to download CapCut now while it's completely free and start making awesome content. Now, 2022 will be the year of under-display camera smartphone boom. According to the latest news, the Moto Edge X30, which is going to be Motorola's next flagship phone, is said to have the most bezel-less design on any smartphone on this planet, with the slimmest chin on any phone. It might even be slimmer than the S22 Ultra, and not just that, it's said to have a 60 megapixel under-display camera. That's the highest megapixel count that we have seen on any under-display camera smartphone. Along with this, it's also going to be one of the first smartphones in the world to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, making this the ultimate Galaxy S22 Ultra rival. Now lastly, we have the official first look at Samsung's first flagship phone that's gonna come out in 2022, which is going to be the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. The Galaxy S21 FE will have one special thing about it, which no other Samsung S21 series phone can offer. Yes, the S21 FE is set to come with Android 12 right out of the box, which means it will get long-term software support up to Android 15, whereas all the other S21 series models will get up to Android 14 as they came out with Android 11 out of the box, giving S21 FE a pretty unique advantage. Now what you're looking at right now is the official support page for the S21 FE from Samsung's own website, which was actually taken down pretty quickly, but as you know, people were able to take the screenshot. So S21 FE is coming out. I know the hype is pretty low for this phone at this point, especially with the S22 series coming out a month later. But if S21 FE brings incredible price point to the table of $599, it can actually be a pretty good pick. We'll see how market will respond to the official launch of the S21 FE happening in the month of January. So that's all of this news. Finally, we have a chip that actually surpasses or level with Apple A15 when it comes to the GPU performance. We still have yet to see what Exynos 2200 has to bring to the table, but it looks like things may not be as good as we expected. Again, we're still hoping to see some miracle. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.